I'm Girishan T. Gopi, Business Head Home Entertainment, LG India. Today I'm happy to share you a good news. We are launching a great product in audio and beyond, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad, which is OLED rollable TV, which is a design marvel, right? And here is a product which is not only a what you call testimonial of LG flagship technology. It is really a design marvel, and it is an effort by a group of engineers for last few years to make a product which is goes directly to enhance the beauty of their home decor, premium home decor, and it will break all the traditional theme and concept how we watch the TV at home. This is what is the product. This is in 65 inch. Yeah. This is a 65-inch TV, a self-lit, unlike other TVs from other brands, which they use a backlit. Backlit always will not give you the real life features, and black. It will not give you the color fidelity the way you wanted, and it will not give the screen tone also. LG is all about self-lighting technology. Whatever individual pixels will be independent on its own. Wherever you require bright, that pixel will only lit. All other picture all will be off. That means you will get the brightest bright wherever you want the brightness, and darkest dark where you want the black pictures. This is the concept of this TV. This is in 65 inch with LG WebOS smart platform we are launching in India. This we are targeting for a niche segment, modern lifestyle, who wants something extra, something different, differentiated technology, differentiated looks, differentiated aesthetic. Those customers who really differentiate them from a normal or an average viewer, or they want something which is unique. This TV is for them. Industry posted close to I think single digit growth in first four months of this year, because we had seen very good uh, attraction of consumers towards the large screen and better technology, because now the TV is not only entertainment, it is infotainment. They want to have entertainment and information also through TV. Second, the kind of OTT content they are now experiencing in India, and with the kind of internet strength we have, they are getting seamless content which they can enjoy, not on a normal kind of TV. It should be 4K at least, or 8K, or an OLED, which will give them a real life picture. If they are watching a movie, they can feel that they are at a good premium movie hall. OLED give that feeling. Plus, for a sports lover, because we have got the least response time. The response time of LG OLED TV is 0.1 millisecond, which will be apt for some car racing, or if you are watching a football match, whatever moves are there in this screens, it will be easily captured, and without any ghost or blur image, customer can feel that sound. Plus, we have got Dolby Atmos in our TVs, wherein it will be object based sound. That means you will feel you are sitting in the center of the action. These are all features. Plus, one more plus good thing about LG OLEDs, we have got the blue light protection on our TVs. Compared to any other TVs, our TVs can be 70-80% blue light free, which will not affect your brain or your eyes whenever you will have long hours of viewing. Plus, we have got flicker free TVs in OLED that will make your entertainment struggle or stress free. This is manufactured in LG Korea ultra modern factory. This we are planning close to. Numbers are not very high. We are looking this year, maybe from next year onwards. We want to give choosy customers close to 1,000 of them in this year. Televisions we have offline. We have got close to 27.5 what percentage, 27.6 percentage for the first 5 months of the year. And but in premium segment like 4K television, Ultra HD and above, we are clocking close to 31%, and we are number one brand as well. Entire new lineup in OLED series. This first one you have seen. We have got 18 more models from world's the biggest 97-inch, which you can make your home as a theater, mini theater, and enjoy your OTT contents and movies at home with all ease. And we have got world's smallest, that is 42-inch. That means in your biggest room and your personal space like your bedroom, you can have same OLED experience through this 97, 88, 83, 77, 65, 55, 48 and 42 inches. There are 19 models in this OLED range this year. We will be investing huge this year. Last year also we had a very good marketing campaign, huge investments, maybe on production line also and in marketing also. This year also we are planning to enhance, and we will be there in all platforms. Wherever customer is there, we will be trying to reach them, and we'll show them how the definition of entertainment is being changed by LG, and so that they can enjoy. Thank you.